guys, Mstoofine here. Welcome back to my channel. So if you may or may not know, I usually do Instagram live on a Friday where I go on at 7 p.m. and I do a live makeup tutorial. So this is the look that I did tonight, and I say, you know what, I need to do an intro for my workout thingy that's been going on, and so I wanted to just jump on camera and just give you guys the deets. So since I am in my second month of working out again, I didn't get a chance to do the first month and post the video in time, so I'm just going to do one thing and, you know, show you guys the progress. So I started Sprite training again, and it's the same thing in the first video where I lost the 30 pounds, where I eat vegetables and chicken for lunch. I eat food and chicken or fish after the workout. And so for the first month, like, it was within the Easter period, and I love Easter bun and cheese, and so even though I eat the vegetable and chicken, I usually weigh myself as well on a monthly basis. So I weigh myself on a start, then I weigh the progress after a month. I don't do the whole weekly weighing thing because that's too depressing. And so, you know, after the first month I didn't lose any weight, and I say, you know what, maybe if I do lose the weight, the Easter bun and cheese is what really put on back the weight that I lost. And so for the second month, my plan is to just try my best to be on track. But guess what, I lose it on the weekends, but I'm really trying. I kind of see the cut. I don't have abs yet, but I have a little cut going. I'm going to post a picture on Instagram so you guys can see. I think I'll share it in this video as well, so you guys can see the 1 month progress. But yeah, that's basically what I wanted to do, introduce the video. So if you guys want to see like some of the routines that I do when I go to the gym, you can just stay tuned for those clippings that I put together for you. Okay guys, so this is day 2. So I don't know, when I lose weight, it's showing on my face, so I'll show you guys snippets of my body. But I walk the gym now. I usually walk. I know it's not warm up, but yeah, so my body loading. I left my tripod, so yeah. So yeah, this one is it.
One more. Come on, up. That's it.
So the live tutorial that I did is now on my YouTube channel, so you can go ahead and check it out. I'll leave the link in the description box. And I also have a wig review on this unit. This is a 3 weeks and the hair is still going. Like I actually ordered another set of bun because I want to use a different color. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys did enjoy this workout vlog, you know, thingy. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you want to keep up with me. I also have a Twitter account for those who still use Twitter. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll definitely see you guys in the next one. Mwah. Bye babies.